Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. You must be aware that RBI Grade B 2021 notification is out. In this video, we are going to discuss how to prepare for RBI Grade B Phase 1 examination in 30-35 days. We'll discuss the strategy for different subjects, what all you have to prepare in those subjects. This is going to be very informative video for your upcoming RBI Grade B examination. Phase 1 exam is the first hurdle you have to cross to become an RBI Grade B officer. Many students directly prepare for Phase 2 exam. They don't prepare for Phase 1 exam, and most likely what I have seen, they are not able to clear Phase 1 exam. For writing Phase 2, first you have to clear Phase 1 exam. So in coming 30-35 days, you have to focus more on your Phase 2 exam, Phase 1 exam. Little bit Phase 2 syllabus can be covered, but after that, after Phase 1 examination, you can cover all your Phase 2 syllabus. I'm not saying only prepare for Phase 1, but your major focus should be on Phase 1 exam. In Phase 1 exam, you'll have 200 questions, each of 1 marks, and you'll be given 2 hours to complete your Phase 1 paper. In Phase 1, general awareness will have 80 marks. This is the largest section in Phase 1. Then reasoning section will be there. Then English will be there, and then quantitative aptitude will be there. So in general awareness, most of the questions will come from the current affairs. We'll discuss in later slide how you have to prepare for general awareness. 15 to 20 questions will be from static GK. Reasoning, if you are preparing for any banking exam, then your QRE, Quant, English and reasoning will be covered from that syllabus. If you'll ask me what type of question will be asked and what will be the level of question, so most likely IBPS PO exam will be the reference point. Maybe question can come little higher than the IBPS PO syllabus, or you can say that SBI PO syllabus, but it will not be like CAT type questions. Basic questions will be there. In reasoning, you have to focus on generic topics like direction, like blood relation, some paragraph based question, input output question. So these kind of questions will come from reasoning, and reasoning contains 60 marks. So this is very important section. In English, you will see some RC, some sentence correction, para jumble. These kind of questions will be there. In quant, you have to prepare for profit and loss, percentage, simple interest, compound interest, time and work, right? So this kind of topic will be there. Time, distance will be there. This kind of topic you have to prepare for quant aptitude, right? So basically QRS section is not my concern. I'm sure if you are preparing for banking examination or any other examination, these sections will be covered. The challenging portion is general awareness, because this is 80 marks, and these 80 marks question can be solved within 10 to 15 minutes. So you can score more while preparing less. If cutoff is going 120 plus, and if you are scoring 60 plus marks in general awareness, it will be easy to clear the cutoff of Phase 1 exam. So your prime focus should be on general awareness. I'm not saying you have to skip the QRE. It's not like that. You have to prepare, but your focus should be on general awareness. This section, I'm sure most of you are already preparing for different examination, so that can be covered from there. Educare 247 has launched crash course for Phase 1 examination. In this crash course, quant will be there, English will be there, reasoning will be there, and all are covered in video lecture form. You can prepare with the help of these videos. Apart from that, general awareness for Phase 1 will be there, current affairs will be covered in that, and static general awareness will be also there. These are very important section, because I just told you 80 marks will come from your general awareness section. This is very important course, guys. You can visit our website and subscribe to this course. The course fee is 999. This is the offer price, so go and subscribe today only. Don't waste your time. Let us discuss what all you have to prepare in general awareness. So what we have seen in last 5-10 years question, the most of the question are coming from basic economy and finance. Static and current affairs part will be there. So static part, you have to read inflation, you have to read unemployment, GDP, Indian economic history little bit you have to read. So these kind of basic and economic thing will be there. Current affairs related to economy and finance is very important for Phase 1 examination. Apart from that, under static portion, national parks in India can come, books and authors can come, country, capital and currency will come, important places and dams in India can come, some generic current affairs like awards in news, sports in news, important days in news, important person in news, events and summits in news. So these are the current affairs which are going to come in phase 1 examination. In our courses, we have covered all these current affairs and all the static portion which are going to come in your phase 1 general awareness thing. QRE we have also covered in the form of video, practice questions are there. So accordingly you can plan your preparation and you can focus on this section to score more. You don't have to waste time, guys. Start preparation from today onwards, because only 40 days, if today is the 25th Jan and exam is on 6th March, so almost 40 days are there. You have to prepare in these 40 days. You have to revise. First you have to read a first time, then you have to read second time, then revision will go. So it takes time. Start devoting your time, at least devote 4 to 5 hours daily to crack your RBI grade B exam. RBI grade B is a very prestigious exam. You have to focus, you have to wake up early and then prepare. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.